I'm John Hayes. I'm responsible for sales here at Nel Pretech. I take care of our new customers and our existing customers. Before Nel Pretech, I spent 28 years in the commodity industry. I was on the trading floors at the Chicago Mercantile Exchange and the Chicago Board of Trade. A lot of what I did in that industry applies in the sense that I spent a lot of time connecting people. So in this industry, I spent a lot of time putting our experts together with experts in the automotive industry, in the medical device industry, in the plastics industry, and in connecting the right people with the right jobs. The team at Nel Pretech really makes my job easy. I'm the only non-engineer here. I'm the only person here with no technical background whatsoever. So I come in, and once I get customers in front of our team of experts, it really sells itself. You know, it's beyond being a salesman and making a sale or anything like that. You're making an impact for that engineer and for that engineer's company and beyond that. And that's what's continually rewarding.